when you've got the plunger pulled up and it's still leaking water, you just need to change the inside part. I'm going to do the best I can to show you how to get this thing out of there, but get you a small bladed common screwdriver. You stick that in there on the back side. Get that in there, by golly, okay. And then you just turn it and it spreads that thing apart. And as you spread that thing apart, yeah, I don't know if I can do this. There, okay. And then I got this part out. Turn this over, just dump that out. Take this and this part with you, just so you make sure you get the right part. Here's the new one. You get the little new O-ring, you get the new slider, do-whopper dopper. And of course, I've put them in upside down before, and you don't want to do that. You want to put it right side up, stick your pull-up piece in there, set this on top of it. Well, might take you 2 or 3 times. You want to make sure it goes in behind the wings. Keep your finger out of the way. And then you just push it on with this. Just like that. And that's all there is to it. These things are about 12 bucks. This piece here with the little pull-up stem thing was $2.50, so you got your choice. Alright, and then when you put it back on, make sure you get some Teflon tape and wrap on the threads before you screw this thing back on there. Makes it easier to get off later on down the line. Alrighty, well, that's it for today. Okay, we got it changed. It's not leaking. Shower's running like it's supposed to. And it's working.